Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and I have been loving the way my skin feels ever since I started using this face trio from Zendu.
What if your skincare routine felt more like a ritual? Well, meet the Zendu Essential Trio, three beautifully balanced formulas designed to transform your skin and your mindset. You start with the rice water toner, and the 2% BHA and 2% niacinamide work perfectly together to gently and powerfully clear your pores, reduce breakouts, and smooth texture. Following with the complementing formulas in the trio, each one crafted to hydrate, refine, and boost your skin's natural radiance. The beauty of this set is it's not just about what's in it, it's about how it makes you feel. I have found this to be the perfect thing for busy mornings or just my nightly ritual, or simply when I want to feel at my best. It is the perfect thing to add to your skincare routine.
If you are looking to have radiant, glowing skin, then you need to get this face trio. You are going to love the way it makes your skin feel, and that's my point of view.